All right, so this should be the ninth one that you're working. In this one, we're just solving by factoring. So when you're solving by factoring, we do want our equation in standard form. So we want everything on one side. All right, and then I know to get 3x squared, my only options are 3x and x. Because this sign is a minus sign, I know that the signs in my factors are different. So one will be a plus and one will be a minus. All right, and then what I put here and here need to multiply to give me that 15. So I only have two choices. And then when I start actually plugging them in, I notice that here I have a coefficient of 3. So anything that I put here cannot have a common factor with the 3. So I know for sure my 3 cannot go there if I was trying 3 and 5, and my 15 cannot go there if I was trying 1 and 15. Now 1 and 15 doesn't really make sense because I only want to get 4 whenever I do this and this. I want to end up with negative 4x. So logically for me, the first thing I would try would be the 5 here and the 3 here. So let's multiply it out and see what happens. So when I multiply the 3x times negative 3, I get negative 9x. And then when I multiply 5 times x, I get 5x. And then when I do 5x minus 9x, I have negative 4x. So that is definitely the correct way to factor. All right, so now I want to find my solutions. So I would set each of those equal to 0 and solve for x. But this time, I'm just going to do it in my head. So for 3x plus 5, I'm going to do the opposite of the plus 5, which will be negative 5, and divide by the 3. All right, and then for x minus 3, I'm going to do the opposite of the minus 3, which will be positive 3. And that is it. So go through. You should actually only have one problem you haven't done if you're going in order by following the circuit, and that would be number 10.